If your company's inventory lives in a spreadsheet, it's probably already wrong. Not because someone entered the wrong information, but because while you were updating one row, another computer changed users, new software was installed, and a license stopped being used. The spreadsheet records the past. Your operation is happening right now. Most companies call an equipment list an inventory, a laptop, an asset number, the assigned user, maybe the model, memory, and purchase date. It looks organized, but it isn't control. It's a photograph, and it starts becoming outdated the moment it is taken, because IT never stands still. Computers change departments, people join and leave. Software is installed or removed. Components are replaced. Licenses are activated, abandoned, or duplicated. If your inventory depends on someone remembering to update a spreadsheet, it doesn't represent your environment. It represents the last time someone checked. This is how control disappears. Not all at once, just one small difference each day. Here's what becomes invisible. Forgotten equipment. A computer changes locations, changes users, or goes into storage. The spreadsheet still shows the old information. Unauthorized software. A program is installed without approval, but the equipment list shows nothing. Unused licenses. The company pays for applications nobody uses, or buys more because it doesn't know what it already owns. Hardware changes. Memory and storage are replaced, while the record still shows the old configuration. Remote devices. Laptops used from home, during travel, or at branch offices can disappear from manual control for weeks. None of this seems critical alone, but multiply it across dozens or hundreds of computers, and the spreadsheet becomes more than inaccurate. It becomes an alternative version of your company. The problem isn't simply not knowing where a laptop is. It's everything that missing information causes. IT purchases new equipment because it can't see what is already available. It renews licenses without knowing who actually uses them. It wastes hours verifying information before every audit. Unauthorized software is discovered only after it becomes a support issue or a security risk. Hardware replacements are planned according to a device's age, instead of the real condition of the environment. And when someone asks, "How many computers do we have today?" the answer begins with, "I think." That uncertainty affects every decision that comes next. That is the most dangerous cost of an outdated inventory. It isn't only wasted money. It's making important decisions while trusting information that is already wrong. Real inventory isn't something you check once a year. It's a continuous process. It means knowing, right now, which devices exist, where they are, who uses them, their real hardware configuration, which software is installed, which licenses are being used, and what has changed since the last check. Everything centralized, updated automatically, and still available when equipment is outside the corporate office. As the environment changes, the inventory changes with it. This is where cloud management changes the situation. Instead of searching through spreadsheets, emails, and manual reports, IT works with a live view of the entire environment. Not simply to count assets, but to reduce waste, anticipate risks, and make better decisions. A spreadsheet can record information. Real control requires continuous visibility. If you manage IT or operations, ask yourself, if something changed today, when would I know? If the answer is, during the next review, you don't have real-time control. You have a spreadsheet waiting for an update. INGITE Cloud Asset Management turns automatic inventory into continuous visibility. Start for free. The link is in the description.